People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is RP. No, Barbados can't stay out of the news, right? We're hearing reports that 3 people were killed in 3 hours, right? In incidences that involve vehicles, right? The first one was about a DJ, a young artist, right? The person on your screen right now, Damian Coleman, right? AKA SK, right? Or SK Iga. I don't know how that's pronounced, but it's SK space IGA. Right? Now I actually checked online and I actually have a few songs. Funny enough, one of the songs named SOE. Right? Yes. There's a movie youth, a song named SOE. Right? He was actually on his way back from a video shoot. Right? As I said, he's a young artist. I'm gonna do video, get ready for boss, start get ready for start promote, and the man named catch them, right? The man named cousin, right? 28-year-old out there in Satahu, right? And of course, he's no longer here. But check this out. The vehicle them pull up in for kill SK and him cousin. I realized me start to see the name of this vehicle more and more often when it comes down to crimes. It's of course the Toyota Voxy, the bus. You see the video I'm show with you from the Mona era when the man them a thief the Voxy. No wonder them a start to thief them so hard. Because the man them a carry them pan apps, go shoot people and then dump them. Because after that video came out, enough people started link me and tell me, say, Sir P, them thief my one over your son. My cousin never Voxy and my brother never Voxy and them thief him. I said, what them a thief? Them Voxy bus there, so. And like I said, I put them on the street for go run taxi, for go run bus, route bus. Right. It's because I guess it can hold more man, it can hold more 87s and more space than it for I guess carry a rifle or whatever you have. Pull up on the scene, shoot people, right, and then park the bus and burn it up. What them things them a do now? Them things them a do now. Thief people Voxy bus and gone pan murder spree with them. Just notice the Voxy, man. It's crazy. But maybe, right, I say it was 3 killed in 3 hours. The third incident, right, involved a young student nurse, a male. Right. And then pull up on him, shoot him up. Him try drive off, right, but obviously, because him get up and shot the man, him probably now see straight or think straight. End up drive, go straight on in our next vehicle. Head on collision. But when you see them things in a show all the time, and maybe it's Hollywood. So 3 in 3 hours. But the fascinating part is that as I was reading the article, it says, like for like, year for year, crime is actually down in Mobile. Although I never believe it, right? But those are the facts. Up to December 19, 119 people have died in St. James this year. Last year, the same time period is 145, but remember, 87s, they have a style. When it comes down to December, them start rush. When it comes down to December, them then the one a day and 2 a day thing, them start push the boundaries because it's like they want to outdo themselves last year. 3 in 3 hours. I wonder if people realize how much shot fire Mobile. Not even 30% of what going on at St. James gets reported on the news. When people from Mobile link me and tell me certain things are going on, I have to ask them, you sure? Because how something like this, place in a Mobile shot a fire for 2 hours straight. People tell me say they can't go in bed, they want to shut a fire. I know you're nothing about it in the news. There's clearly a lot of underreporting going on when it comes on to what Mobile is really looking like. Certain ends, Norwood and them place there. Right, Waltham and them place because I know you have a Waltham in Mobile. Right. Flankers, enough of them places shot fire constantly. Constantly, but unless 3 or 4 lose them life, you're not gonna really hear about it. All over Jamaica, right, the true scope of just how serious things is, we still don't know because it just not make news. As me say, when people link me sometime, I'm like, yo, double check, triple check, because how something like that will happen. I wanna hear nothing. People are for dead. We've now got to the point where just reporting say a 1 hour gunfight going on in Mobile, that's not even newsworthy. That's not newsworthy. Waste of time. That. The news is like, find something more interesting. There have to be a triple murder, quadruple murder. The only way you can get Jamaican people attention now, or the only way you can get the news attention. There's simply too much shot of fire all over the island. Even the news, I think now I pick and choose what is newsworthy. Norwood flank had enough of them place there. You might think say, oh, it calm down now, man. Right, calm down. Norwood because, you know, Stone Crusher, bigger crime and them man and they about the place, Glen Devon and Surrey and them man and they about the place. So, oh, now you about Norwood again. The place they calm now, not really. Oh, now you about Glen Devon. Oh, now you about Walter man. Place they calm, not really. Just like how we now hear about West Kingston and shot fire constantly at West Kingston. Constantly. Right now, if something get reported about West Kingston, if you went West Kingston crime up on the front page, it have to be like a quadruple murder. The news, the media is so used to reporting on things that go on at West Kingston. When a one man dead, then they don't bother go on there. Them don't even bother. How much dead? One? Them bother it. Bother it. Make it so I go on somewhere else. That never worth talking about. You know, I've always wondered if Jamaica's murder rate, right, as in the actual numbers, I've always wondered just how underreported it really is. Because I know it's underreported. Every year, when they say 1,200 man, then every year, the real figure is higher. That's a fact, because even when you look, just by looking at the missing people numbers, people who clearly now come back, because you know they're gone, those people are not added immediately to the number of murders. When they tally up murders to the year, then they add up if 600 people missing, right? Then they chew on the 600 upon the murder figure. Right. You have to get to a point where like, you know what, alright, it's been gone long enough, he's now presumed dead, and I say you get added. But so far, we don't really get much information about what happened here. Right. If it's a case where gang war or extortion or some kind of retaliation or can't catch him short. To be honest, I don't know the motive. Right. But it's serious. And which part is happening? Which part is happening has long been a hot spot. You see that stretch there out near the place the plaza they call Blue Diamond right there, so I think the real hotel across the road. You see that stretch? The amount of people were dead on that stretch there. Right. It's a dangerous stretch. Because the 87s them love the stoplight them. Right. They have a stoplight right there, so right where you get to you can go up. I think you take the left and go up towards Iron Shore. Right. That stoplight, 87s love that stoplight. The amount of man lose them like it, so. Anyway, for in this video, I want to talk about some pictures of Messi with some goat teeth. Basically, them goat teeth, right? The man, them animal, get one, that wasn't enough, them go back, and the farmer them set for them. When I look on the pictures and please nobody ask me for them. Right. Them all over the internet, them bother save them. Right. But when I see the pictures, how much time I gotta tell them to leave the people them farm and them animals alone? Look on the last time the video I'm telling them, say, listen, pre-the the man them stop run joke with pre-the last thing now. When I go there and see that. One dead, one survivor, and the one that survived, the way him chop up, I don't even know how he make it. Is it the one that did? I don't know. The cutlass to chop the one that did have to be the sharpest cutlass in Jamaica. I never see somebody get chopped, right? And the blade goes so clean through not just flesh but bone. It look like the farmer them sit down and sharpen them last the whole night and wait for the man them come back the next day. Leave the people them farm and them animals alone, especially in Christmas time. People them not run no joke, right? Cause see they know, man lie down in the bush, chop up. Right. So your family and get called, come identify your son. And when you go look, you see your son lie down, right, on table, looking like some kind of, like something will come out of a butcher shop. The man chop up. All because sticky fingers. Love thief, love take people things, love shortcut. Right. If it's one star people, you don't want to run them joke there with these people whose job entails having a sharp cutlass. Farmer man who raise livestock, them job entail having a sharp machete, and that them man don't run joke with. So only really go keep going alive. Right. Alright, that's who know. As my granny let's say, who can't hear will feel. We now provoke and test people. We have machete was so sharp, it walk through somebody's hand, the flesh and the bone, like say it's a hot knife through both of them people that wanna run joke with. Why, I don't know. I don't know. You can only talk to somebody so many times. You can only give people so many warnings and hope to them heed. But you know, you can take a unicorn to the water but you can't make him drink. So, for the man them who thinks that in the Christmas period them are going to eat a quick food, might make a fast money, thief man go and them thing and maybe gonna stop it. And they're gonna stop it because not only are you literally a box food out of people mouth, right? When they go thief them goat and them cow and them sitting where them spending much money, right? Cause some of these animals cost hundreds of thousands to maintain, right? Come like one car. So when you take and you take and you take, you might end up take from the wrong person, and the wrong person might give you a one-way ticket down a Dovecat, or an early ticket down a Dovecat. And to the farmers them, right, who do things like this, even though I understand your frustration, even though I know the goat them cost whole heap and the cow them cost whole heap and the farm cost whole heap, enough hard work, enough suffering, you know, frustrated when man come thief it. May I remind you, you can still, or no, still will end up down the horizon if you get catch for doing things like this. Even though the man them like thief, legally, you will still get charged for murder. Right. Unless, you know, it's a case where you're acting in self-defense in the moment. But what I want is normally law-abiding farmers if then end up down a rise and down a GP because in a moment of rage, right, them limb up somebody and now them family now have them full time. That not gonna help the family neither. So where I come from? Because you might say, well, sure people may never chop out the boy because the boy my family can't eat. But if you get catch, and it's very possible you will, if you get catch, and you don't got horizon, them definitely not gonna eat them timely. Right? Because the last time I check, you can't raise no cow on a horizon. You can't raise no cow on a GP. Right? Just ask people think before them act. Right? Self-defense, catch another act, man step to you, hey, do your thing. Do your thing, Mr. Swordsmith. Right? But legally for hide and set for man and limb them up or in still car prison. Just think about that. Right, let me say. Just think about that. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.